Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today. As you can see down at the bottom here, I've done 13 trades. Today's date is April the 22nd and I am using my new Pipsnegger trading system. It is the one that uses Heikin-Ashi on the top, and this is great for traders who struggle with Japanese candlesticks. Quite simple concept. Blue we're buying and red we're selling. My whole system is based on that color. As I said, easy to understand. Blue we're buying, red we're selling. And along with this TZ magic indicator, the yellow gold line in this area on top of the timing indicator, this really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. It's great for traders who love to scalp the market on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now this up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market. Something that you must have and you must do before you're trading, like about an hour before you start your trading, you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. And we can certainly pull that up. Now here's the trade plan I did for today, April the 22nd, 22. There's 11 instruments that I analyze, and remember I did 13 of them today. So 13 of them, and of course there was a few more winners too. There is at least minimum 80% of these calls are successful. Now you may only get 15, 20, 25 pips, but that is still a successful trade call. You can only get what the market will give you, and you have to catch the beginning of the cycles the way I teach within the Pipsnegger trading system. You can put the video on pause and compare to see how I did. So remember, I took this directly from my daily trade plan, all of these trades. And even if you would just do 1 or 2 of them on one mini lot, it would pay more than enough to cover for the whole month of the daily trade plan. Now keep in mind that I do charge $100 a month. Now if you're interested, instead of paying it by the month, you can pay me one price and I'll teach you exactly how to do this. And you're going to save thousands of dollars. But no matter which way, you either have to have a trading plan, pay for it from somebody, or I can teach you how to make one of these. At the end of the video, I'll show you the offer that I have. So if you have any questions about this daily trade plan, just get in contact with me. Now we can move on to the trades. 30-year bonds. Let's run a check on that. I took all of these trades after 6 and after 8, and I closed them all out between 9 and 10, looks like. So for a few hours of work, I know for sure that I made well over 400 for sure, and my daily quota, at least when I'm trading, I aim for 200 pips and ticks minimum. And my Pipsnegger system is producing day in and day out. So the first trade, let's see where I got in at. I waited for the cycle exactly the way I teach within the training videos. Took the trade at that cursor and it looks like I ended up with around 21, it looks like, 21 ticks. And those 21 ticks, remember each tick pays $5. and then times the lots, ended up paying $1,050. Remember, I teach how to trade this way exactly in the training videos. Dow Jones, another one that pays $5 a tick. There's the arrow from my daily trade plan. Remember, daily trade plan will pay for itself. As many of my subscribers to the daily trade plan tell me they're finding a lot of successful trades. Okay, I got in right here, went mostly sideways, finally decided to go, and I knew it was going to go. See if we can go down to the 5 minutes, because it was a very small move, to be honest with you. Looks like about 26. Some of these I'll have to use a calculator to get it a little bit more accurate, but I just checked the calculator and it worked out to be 26 ticks, and that paid out $1,300. Moving on to Russell, be a little bit easier for calculating. It does pay $10 a tick. Okay, it's on the 5 minutes, so I can get a better reading. Now, if I stayed in the trade longer, I would have made a lot more. Exactly what my daily trade plan did say. Now, this has to be 18, just looking at the total. And there it is there, as soon as it's done jumping around. Very hard to get it right on. But 18 times $10 times 10 lots, that's why you see it paid out $1,800. Okay, let's move on to crude oil. Another one that pays $10. Let's see where I got in first of all. And should be 20, just looking at the total. Let's see. There it is there. 20 ticks. 20 times 10 times 10 lots. You can see paid out $2,000. Decided to do it one more cycle, but I knew because of my daily trade plan it was going to go down and test this area of support. Okay, let's check out this euro yen. Here we go. This one I bought. There's the arrow. No big surprise. I knew it was going to go up. And I closed it out. Looks like at good timing. Looks like about 29 pips. And those 29 pips paid $2,335. Okay, let's move on to the Euro CAD trade. Bought it. There's the arrow. Everything screaming to buy. Went sideways a bit, but finally decided to go, as I knew it would go. Producing about 33 pips, and those 33 pips paid $2,603. Okay, Euro New Zealand is the next one. This was the preferred one on my daily trade plan, as it has 5 or 6 in a row telling me up. So I took the trade. I knew it was going to go up. And I got in at that point and closed it out with 43 pips. And those 43 pips on the Euro New Zealand trade paid $2,866. Moving on to the S&P 500 now. Here we go. Sold it from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow. See where I got in at. This one pays $5. Could have made a lot more. But how many pips and ticks do you really want each trading day? Looks like I need a calculator. Took the money divided by 5, and the calculator said 65. So let's see if I can show 65 here. Very hard to get it right on. 66. But anyhow, it truly is 65 ticks. And those 65 on the S&P paid $3,250. Moving on to the Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie, bought it directly from my daily trade plan. See how important it is to have a daily trade plan? With a daily trade plan, you're going to find a lot of winners. It's as simple as that, not too complicated. Looks like 46. So 46 times the dollar value, it's less than $10, just to let you know, times the 10 lots, ended up paying out $3,429. Moving on to the DAX 30. Here we go. I put it down to the 5 minutes, and I'm definitely going to need a calculator for this. Take the money, divide it by $3.75. Just use a calculator and took the money, divided by $3.75. It worked out to being 105 ticks. Let's see if I can get the 105. Very hard to get it right on. 106. Anyhow, it truly is 105, and that ended up paying $3,937. Let's check out gold now. This pays $10 a tick. Here we go. Should be around 60. Let's see if we can get around 60 here. There it is, close enough. There's 60 ticks times 10 lots, paid out $6,020. Moving on to silver. Here we go. This pays $50 a tick. You're not going to see hundreds of ticks in here, but it does pay 50. So 50. It's a little bit easier to figure out. 7,000 divided by 50 should be 14. And there it is. 14 ticks. Ended up paying out $7,000. Moving on to the Nasdaq. Now this one does $20 a tick. Nasdaq, let's drag and drop this up. Took it right here. Should be around 35, 36. I'm going to use a calculator. Just use a calculator, and it told me that it should be 35 point something. Let's just go with the 35. There it is right there. Well, 35. 35 is good enough. 35 ticks ended up paying $7,120. So I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and this is a fantastic day of trading. A great way to end the week. I ended up, like I said earlier, well over 400. It turned out to be 515 ticks and pips. And all those pips and ticks ended up paying out $44,712. So if your system is not producing great results like my Pipsnagger, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. If you want to get more information, just look right below this video. It's my Pipsnagger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has 5 gigabytes of training. You will get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff with a lot of education. Now there's a lot of ways to trade the market, and I teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 50 training videos, and they're about 20 minutes long each. You can put the video on pause, read all of this. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And of course, if you wish, you can send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype. Simple again, just click on this link and we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, along with tips and tricks. Keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. Now, I wanted to speak a moment or two about this daily trade plan. If you're paying by the month, at the end of the year, you'll end up paying $1,200. Isn't it a much better idea that you learn how to build your own trading plan? You will save thousands of dollars over the years. I teach you how to make a daily trade plan, exactly the way I do it. And this is going to be a special limited time offer. You know, you get the templates and of course the indicator. You have 3 training videos, about 50 minutes long each. I go in great detail. I explain exactly how to do it. And of course, after you watch the videos, you know, a couple of times, just get back to me with all of your questions, and I will include a free 1-hour Skype screen call. This is where I'll answer your questions. As I said, monthly it's $100, but I do charge one-time fee of $500. It's like saving a lot of money. So you can put this on pause and read whatever else you want to read here. And of course, if you have any questions, just get in contact with me. So it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video on trading day, which should be Monday, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.